Morning guys, as you can see it's very dark, lights are on. It's a very hard overcast day and the humidity is intense. Pete's going to drop me off at Nails and he's going to pick me up and we're going to go into the city hopefully if it's not downpouring. So we did come in because Pete wants to go. Which one are you going to? B&H or Adorama?
I think B&H because Adorama doesn't have the umbrellas that got on display.
What do you need umbrellas for?
In school photography because I used to use NYX.
So it's been raining on and off all the way in. It looks like the rain is done in the city for a while because it looks like the road is drying out. That's my bridge. I think flip-flops are stupid on a moped. Garbage trucks getting ready for tomorrow. Actually, probably not tomorrow.
Yeah, they might be off tomorrow. Right there.
It's Madison Square Gardens, the round building. That's where all your concerts are,
It
guys.
used to be square.
Did it
before I moved
really?
Here. Yeah, it was in a different building originally. And
Say,
that's where they're doing it down there at that theater.
here's a proper view of the city for you. Cabs upon cabs and lots of people. NYPD.
There must be, I think, a station around here someplace. Yeah.
We're gonna park. Pete's going into his most favourite place in the world, B&H. Not that we have his playground, choosing some umbrellas. Costed like 30 years bad luck right now because he keeps putting them up in here. Pretty silver on the inside. Not much to choose from. Go black. Can I ask why it's taking you so long to decide it's like black and black?
They're different inside.
Oh. Which one would you go with, guys? Huh?
This one you don't see the reflections on the side.
Gotcha. But aren't they all? They're all professional ones, so.
Yeah.
So this is the biggest place ever. The search continues. Okay. So now I think we're heading over to Myers.
Yes.
They did say thunder all afternoon. This is what cabs do to you here. They just cut you up.
Yeah.
This is 7th Ave, Fashion Ave. It's a drive-through hot dog vendor.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding, it's not. It says here, New York, made in dirty water, never tastes so good if you like hot dogs. But I don't.
Yeah.
It's where they do Fashion Week. Yeah, what are they doing over there?
No idea.
Looks like they're setting up a stage for something. Now the light. We'll find out on the news later. Madame Tussauds. So we've decided just to drive out because it is really hectic around here. Some kind of event, concert, something.
See double-decker buses.
Big taxi tours. Which used to be a horrible neighborhood. Oh look, Minnie's just wandering around. There's Times Square over yonder. I don't know what's going on today. A lot of hubbub. Oh look, there's Elmo who's just hanging out on the corner of the street. Minnie's trying to decide what she wants to eat. Do you see her? She's got fingers in her mouth. It's Roxy's shop. Sing 42nd Street for everybody. Do 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 do. Oh, that's putting on the Ritz. Never mind. No, that's what I'm saying. 42nd Street used to be Hooker Alley.
This area, yes. This end was bad.
Yep. Got a flashing McDonald's over there. That's the very first McDonald's I ever went into when I got.
Oh yeah, good boy.
Oh dear. That Regal sign is very regal, isn't it? Oh, Spider-Man. Oh, this is where Spider-Man's playing, is it? Where, did you hear they had another accident on the set, on the stage a couple of weeks ago? Somebody else got hurt?
No, didn't.
Yeah.
Millionth car that they sold.
Oh yeah.
I saw something about it. I think he got the car for free.
Nice. We're almost out of the chaos. I feel it.
Yeah, well, we're out.
There's an end in sight. Sorry about that, Pete.
Didn't know it was like that. I'll be here right now myself.
I'm like, oh, we'll go to Times Square. And we're going for something nice to eat. Pete's chomping on his gum. Chomp for the people, Pete. Addict boy.
Yeah.
With the lights on. Trying to figure out what all the policemen are doing, guys. They're turning anyway. Maybe the mayor's going on the boat.
Yeah.
Maybe he's going on his family cruise. They're not turning, sorry. So we've gone from city to beach. That's where we're going, the Pier Restaurant. Oh, open 7 days a week. Oh, kitties on their ride. So we have to park in here and then you get $5 back. Gosh, it's hot.
Yeah, it is.
Whew.
Olives, just like in England. Some bread.
No thanks. It's pretty nasty up there. Burger.
Yeah.
I didn't know yours was going to be fried, did you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're still doing well with the weather, I think. almost got away with it. It's just started thunder and lightning and raining.
Take either of those boats there.
Which one would you like? I'll go get it for you. Because he's in the bar.
The one with all the antennas on it. Sport fisherman.
Gotcha. Pedal tape.
A little smaller though, it's a 36 or 40.
This poor Pete. I didn't realise my back was, but honestly, it got rained on. My back. So guys, I used to work over that side of the...
Oh, good, you have it wrapped around your hand.
Yeah. The way I drop things. At the beach. Greeks.
Low tide.
So that's where we were. Very friendly in there. Like it. There's a little shuttle that takes them from the boat to the dock.
At launch, I used to drive.
Pete was a launch driver.
That was a cool boat I brought. In Hinkley.
Actually, that's a cool shot if I could get it. Can't get the boat on there. Yeah, it's time to go.
The ports that you set down up very soon.
Yeah. So we just left the tiki bar. Got wet. Did you get wet?
Nah, I'm dry.
Pete dodged the rain. So, yeah, this is the picture I took of Pete, and it does look like he has a little spike coming out of his head.
I'm missing my other horn.
He's only got one horn showing because he was only half. That's right. Yeah, these houses are massive now. Look, guys, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. This is because we had the nerve to go eat outside. There's the street I used to work down at the beach club. Ashley said she's just leaving work and it's not raining where she is. Give it time. Yeah.
That was that big house there that we used to see the deer in the front yard. Now it's got two massive homes.
It's raining men. Hallelujah. And it's flooding already.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't go down the bottom of our street just in case.
Yeah.
It is. Flood already, look at that.
Yeah.
It's been raining for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
This is how the weather was on the day of Ashley's prom. This is how bad it was. He's taking cover. Ooh, what's that? Sludge?
No, they're from the roadwork over there.
Oh.
What he's doing is washing all the dirt off at this construction site.
Oh, yeah.
See all this, all pebbles from it.
Oh,
look
that's
at it.
bad.
Wow.
That's a mess, yeah.
All the construction debris.
Blimey, yeah. It's making a mess, isn't it?
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, because they made a trough, and there's all the fill rock in there for when they're going to go and drop the cement.
Going past my favourite house. I love these sunflowers on there too. There's my favourite greenhouse.
For rent? That's cool.
Oh, it's fine. This is where it usually... Oh, it's flooded. Ash pulled in right behind us, thank God. And this is what we've got. And it's thunder and lightning. We just missed a huge clap. Yeah, she's not moving. She doesn't like it. Louie's not so bothered anymore. Are you, Lou? He's like, I just need to go out, but I can't yet. Louis, one sec. Yeah.
The only thing that sucked was because I didn't drive at the time, so I'd always have to wait for you.
Wait for us to come pick you up.
So I was still stuck there. She saw this woman I was wearing out with the Victoria's Secret rack. She's like, "Oh, yoga pants are $30 right now." I was like, and I get 20% off. She was like, "Shut up. I don't want to hear it."
Who said that?
Alexa.
Oh.
I was like, "Yeah, well, I get more off." And then she's like,
Okay, so we did go to Myers, and I think I got 4 shandies, 6 lemonades, 4 Vimtos, 6 little cheese and onion Seabrooks. These are good. And then the lady in the store said I was mean for getting this for Pete. She said I shouldn't do that to him. I think it's good. And then just, they didn't have the love heart, so we got some refreshers. 2 Scotch eggs. And 2 pork pies. And some bacon, seeing as we were going. Ashley just got home from work. She's chilling out. At least Ashley's home for the night. Pete's home.
Yep.
Roxy's home.
I'm always home.
Oh, and Louie's home. Under the table with all the mess. Where are you, Luke? And that's how New York does it, guys. You have a crazy hour of downpours, enough to annoy everybody, make everyone leave a restaurant, and then the sun comes out. It's still raining, but the sun's out right now. But it's still blooming hot. Whew. Pete's trying to get Roxy to go outside while it's only raining a little bit. There's a nice soggy garden. Hey guys. 5 to 5, or 4:56 to be precise, and I'm changed and ready to call it a day. I am going to put the computer on, download this now, because we're not obviously going to be doing anything else, and I think there's going to be enough to go through and edit at this point. But Ash just came, she put the ribbon on it. This one is pumpkin apple. I'll tell you, it smells really good. Like I said this morning on Instagram, they are having the buy 2 for $22 right now, so she got 4. And by working with Victoria's Secret, she's actually going to be getting a discount with this place. But anyway, I'm going to love and leave you. You've had a good day. It's been a long one. And I'm going to go rest my back now, drink my cup of tea, and I will see you guys later. Bye.